Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute origami envelope. They are quite easy to make and they are quite useful if you need to put inside a little message or a little gift. So let's get started to create one of these origami envelope. I created mine because I was in need of put inside some little present for my families, and so I thought of sharing these cute makes. Okay, we will need a piece of paper. The important part is that the paper is a square paper. This is origami paper, and then we will need to fold in this way. Okay, and then fold, increase in this way. Now in this way here. Okay, now we have this triangle in this way. We will need to create our envelope, so we will start to the important part is that the end part arrive match one with the other. Okay, in this way. So okay, voila. Now crease and crease. Now we will need to create this part, and we can create a sort of a diamond or we can create a sort of heart. Okay, we will need to do in this way. Fold and crease this part here, and then here. Okay, now we have to fold and crease this part, and voila, your envelope is ready. Quite nice. If you want, you can use a little glue in order to have this part here. Okay, so your envelope, okay, here you can put your little present or your message. Okay, and then here the diamond that we created. But if you want to create a paper art, it's quite easy. You will need to fold and crease inside this piece of paper in this way, and then with a pair of scissors you will need to cut just a little here in the middle, and then if you want you can fold inside this part, or as I did in this way, in this envelope you can create here this little crease, and then you will have this result. And I think they are quite nice, and you can create many of them as you prefer, and they are so easy to make and so funny. Yeah, voila. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.